If you've been dreaming about studying in Europe or you have been planning to study in Europe, Denmark might just be the golden opportunity for you. Why did I say this? I said this because we all know that UK used to be the final destination for our people. UK is an English-speaking country, but now UK is not what it used to be. They have changed the immigration law now. Their school fees is now ×3. You have to have at least £80,000 for you to start. And you are not guaranteed to live in the UK after your master's. You are not guaranteed to live in the UK after your studies. That's why I said that UK is not what it used to be. So many people have been thrown away after their studies. Some have been deported, yes, after studying in the UK. But I have a good news for you. Denmark will never treat you that way. Like I did say in my last video, Denmark is a very good country. Denmark is located in Northern Europe and is one of the Scandinavian countries in this Europe. Denmark has a very good education system. It has a very good health system. It has a working social system. Like everything about Denmark is top notch. The security here is top notch. So you don't have to worry about all this gun violence or all these things. Like now in the UK, you can be walking on the street and someone will rob you in the UK. Yes. So UK now is no. I'm not saying that UK is bad. I'm not condemning UK, but all I'm saying is that UK is not what it used to be. So guys, in this video, I will walk you step by step on how you can study in Denmark, whether for your bachelor's degree, for your master's degree, or even for scholarships. The school fees, the admission steps, and also your proof of fund. All that will be included in this video. So what are you waiting for? Grab your papers and sit back. Watch this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. And again, I've gotten so many questions. Yes, like so many people that have emailed me. Someone asked me if she can use her Nigerian GCE and NECO to study here in Denmark. And someone also asked me the steps or what she can do to study in Denmark. All these things are covered in this video. I will answer all the questions in this video. Like I did say, all you have to do is just to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. The first question should be, why Denmark? Like I did say, Denmark is one of the best countries for international students. Clean, safe, innovative, and English-friendly. Most universities offer world-class education, hands-on learning, and English-taught programs, even at bachelor's level. Plus, as a student, you get access to free healthcare, great job opportunities, and pathway to live and work in Europe after graduation. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive in. Tuition fee and cost of living. Now, for non-EU students like Nigerians, tuition fees are not free, but still affordable compared to the UK or US. Tuition fee for public universities usually ranges between 6,000 euros and 16,000 euros. Wait, let me break it down. 6,000 euros is 42,000 kronas, and in Naira, 6,000 euros is 9,660,000 Naira, while 16,000 euros is 112 Danish kronas. 112,000 Danish kronas, and in Naira, 16,000 euros is 25,760,000 Naira. All these are per year depending on your program and university. Living costs are around 7,000 Danish krona to 9,000 Danish krona. And if you want to convert, 7,000 Danish kronas is 1,000 euros, and in Naira, 7,000 Danish kronas is 1,610,000 Naira, and 9,000 Danish kronas is 1,286 euros. In Naira, it is about 2,070,000 Naira. These are estimated monthly expenses, which covers rent, food, and transport. But here is the good news. There are scholarships that can cover your tuition fee or even your living expenses, and we will get into that in a minute. So right now, we will talk about scholarships in Denmark. So you can study in Denmark for free or almost free. There are 3 main types of scholarships available for Nigerians and non-other EU students. Number one is Danish government scholarship. This one is funded by the Danish Ministry of Higher Education. You don't apply separately. When you apply for admission at a Danish public university, you are automatically considered. If your grades are excellent, you could get a full tuition waiver or even monthly living allowance. Number two is university-specific scholarships. Many universities have their own awards. For example, University of Copenhagen, UCPH, Danish Government Scholarship. University of Southern Denmark, SUD in abbreviation, full tuition plus monthly stipend. And this about 3,000 Danish kroners, and that's about 690,000 naira. And also Copenhagen Business School, known as CBS, tuition waiver plus up to 8,000 monthly Danish kroners. Like this is your monthly. If you're optioned, you'll be paid 8,000 Danish kroners, and that's about 1,840,000 naira in naira currency. Okay, and another one is Aarhus University, Danish government and merit-based scholarship. The third one is Erasmus Mundus scholarships. If you're applying for a master's, Erasmus Mundus is a European Union scholarship that covers tuition fee, travel insurance, and monthly stipend, 100% funded. So, the key is apply early and keep your grades strong. Requirements for bachelor's degree. This is where I will answer that question that young lady asked me about her GCE and her WAEC. So, let's dive in. These are the things you need for a bachelor's degree in Denmark. Number one is your WAEC or WSCC CE certificate with good grades in English and key subjects. So you can use your NECO. Yes, the answer is that you can use your NECO for this. Then the second one is proof of English proficiency. That is IELTS, and you must have at least 6.5 or TOEFL, 83 plus. Some schools may waive this if your WAEC English grades is excellent. Okay. Another one is copy of your passport, motivation letter. This motivation letter is a short essay explaining why you want to study that particular course. Some universities might ask for a CV or recommendation letter. Applications are done on uptelse.dk. I will leave the link in the description box. Guys, please, if you've watched to this moment, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment. So that's this uptelse.dk is the official Danish portal for bachelor studies. Deadlines are usually March 15 or July 5th for the September intake. Requirements for master's degree. For master's degree, you will need a bachelor's degree in a related field, official transcripts and certificates. Another one is IELTS or TOEFL results. These are proof that you studied with English language. Then a strong motivation letter and updated CV. Recommendation letters, usually 1 or 2. You will apply directly through the university's website. Deadlines are between January and March for most universities, so start early. How to apply for admissions and plus scholarship. Here are simple process that you need to take. Number one is research 2 or 3 universities that fit your goals. Number 2, check their tuition fee and available scholarships. Number 3, prepare your documents and apply online before the deadline. Number 4, if selected, you will get an admission offer. And if your grades are top tier, a scholarship offer might come with it. Once you are admitted, the university helps start your student residence permit process with the Danish Immigration Service called SIRI. You will then submit documents and biometric at VFS Global in Lagos or Abuja. So now, for visa and residence permit requirements, to get your Danish study visa, you will need admission letter, proof of scholarship or proof of funds, at least 7,086,000 Danish kroners per month times 12. Yes, you must have this amount times 12 for you to be qualified. And 7,086 Danish kroners is 1,629,780 naira. You have to have it times 12. So do the calculation, times it by 12. And another one is valid passport, like your Nigerian passport, then passport photograph, application form and fee, and proof of housing or address if available. After approval, you will receive your resident permit and you can finally travel to Denmark for your studies. After arrival, when you land in Denmark, register with a local municipality to get your CPRO number. That's your personal ID for healthcare and banking. Then, attend orientation at your university, set up your bank account and settle in. You can also work up to 90 hours per month during semesters and full-time during summers. So, this is how you can study in Denmark tuition-free or with major scholarship as a Nigerian student. Remember, start early, prepare your documents and apply before deadlines.